Today I am reviewing the KOORUI 27-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KOORUI 27-inch curved gaming monitor 27E6QCA is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level with a perfect combination of speed, clarity, and immersive visuals. Right out of the box, this monitor impresses with its QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution that delivers sharp, detailed images and significantly more screen real estate compared to standard 1080p displays. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, you'll notice clearer text, more precise visuals, and a crisper overall experience. One of the standout features of this KOORUI monitor is its ultra-fast 180Hz refresh rate paired with a 1 millisecond GG response time. This ensures that every frame is rendered smoothly, giving competitive gamers an edge in fast-paced games where milliseconds matter. Combined with adaptive sync technology, screen tearing and stuttering are minimized, allowing for a fluid and uninterrupted gaming experience. Whether it's fast shooters, racing games, or action-packed adventures, this monitor keeps up with your every move without lag or ghosting. The 27-inch curved display with a 1500R curvature wraps around your field of view, creating an immersive environment that pulls you right into the action. The gentle curve not only enhances your gaming experience, but also reduces eye strain by keeping the entire screen at a comfortable distance. And with a 90% DCI, P3 color gamut, and HDR10 support, the KOORUI 27E6QCA delivers rich, vibrant colors with deep blacks and bright highlights. This makes your games, movies, and creative projects more lifelike and engaging. With 10.7 billion colors and a 4,000:1 contrast ratio, you get a true cinematic experience right at your desk. For productivity and comfort, this monitor offers ergonomic flexibility. Its adjustable tilt stand ranges from -5 degrees to 15 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle for long gaming sessions or extended work hours. The monitor also supports VESA 100 by 100 mm mounting, making it easy to mount on a wall or monitor arm for a cleaner setup. Eye care features like flicker-free technology and low blue light mode ensure that even hours of use won't lead to fatigue or strain, making it a safe choice for both gaming and work. Connectivity is another area where the KOORUI 27E6QCA shines. With DisplayPort 1.4 and dual HDMI 2.0 ports, you can easily connect your PC, laptop, or even gaming console. This versatility makes it a great choice for multi-device setups, streaming, or even a dual-monitor workstation. Plus, KOORUI backs the display with 1-year coverage and accessories with 3-year support, ensuring peace of mind for your investment. Overall, the KOORUI 27-inch curved gaming monitor is an exceptional choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals seeking speed, clarity, and comfort. Its combination of QHD resolution, 180Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, immersive curvature, and vibrant color performance make it one of the best mid-range gaming monitors in 2026. Whether you're climbing competitive leaderboards or working on visual projects, this monitor delivers performance and quality you can rely on.